Okay, you ready?
You gonna sleep in your bed or you gonna sleep with Grandma?
Grandma?
How about you sleep in your bed?
No.
Like the big girl.
Here we go.
She is in the bed and she's thinking the whole bed is falls like with the whole legs open and the arms like that. And she go like this and jumping over there. So she used a lot of space.
Hey, you want this?
No.
Mommy.
I'm not done yet. You gotta get this one later. On this.
Okay, the camera's on. Action.
The camera is on. And take a picture.
Okay.
My little pony. My little pony. Hey, get your cameras right there.
I got your camera.
My little pony. My little pony. Every day. Dreams and true. My little pony. My little pony.
Take a bow.
Oh, God, that's with her. You get this grocery. Put all your food in here. You know one gets to eat aloud when you play with
It's not allowed to eat in here. It's gonna eat in here.
Now put your food in the basket.
Oh my God, let's go. Shira, you have to stay still. You gotta see the show.
That's okay, but you.
Está tan malo que el otro, mira. Mira, mira.
Everybody knew. Natalie, the camera's on. Come on.
The camera's on. Do the show. La pena va a ser tu show.
My little pony. Every day, set dreams and true. Oh, my girl. I'm gonna see.
Dos.
I'm not gonna hurt her. She just gonna stand right here. Just let her sit with you, Grandpa. Put her covered up in a blanket. That's her blanket. No.
Alright, Natalie, camera's on.
Camera's on?
Yes.
Hey, you punched the liver there!
Tú la tienes que tener ahí con
Hold her!
Shira. Get my head in front of your feet.
You bad girl! You bad girl. Give her to Grandpa. Right now.
That is right now.
Here you go. Cover her up.
Natalie, the camera's on.
My little pony, my little pony. Get your horsey. Grandma, yo, doggy, you bad doggy. You doggy.
Shira.
No,